Welcome to Health Morph, where ancient wisdom meets modern health science. Today, we're diving into something that affects virtually all of us at some point: digestive problems. Bloating, gas, indigestion, irregular bowel movements. Sound familiar? What if I told you that Ayurveda, a 5,000-year-old medical system from India, specifically identified the digestive system as the cornerstone of overall health long before modern science came to the same conclusion? In Ayurveda, there's a concept called Agni, your digestive fire, and when it's balanced, your entire body functions optimally. When it's imbalanced, health problems begin. Today, we'll explore how Ayurvedic principles can transform your digestive health naturally, effectively, and without the side effects of conventional medications. The Ayurvedic view of digestion. In Ayurveda, digestion isn't just about breaking down food, it's about transforming it into life energy or prana. Your digestive system is considered the foundation of health for several key reasons. First, Ayurveda views poor digestion as the root cause of most diseases. The ancient text, Charaka Samhita, states, "The root of all diseases is improper digestion." Modern research increasingly supports this connection between gut health and numerous conditions from mental health disorders to autoimmune diseases. Second, Ayurveda introduced the concept of ama, toxic, undigested food residue that accumulates in the digestive tract when digestion is weak. Think of ama as a sticky, heavy substance that clogs your digestive channels and spreads throughout your body, causing inflammation and disease. Today's science calls this endotoxins, and they're just as problematic as Ayurveda predicted thousands of years ago. Third, and most importantly, Ayurveda categorizes digestive issues according to your dominant energy constitution, or dosha. Each dosha, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, manifests different digestive problems. Vata, digestion. If you experience bloating, gas, constipation, and irregular hunger, your Vata dosha is likely imbalanced. Vata types have sensitive digestive systems that react quickly to stress and change. Pitta digestion. Do you suffer from heartburn, acid reflux, loose stools, or intense hunger? These are classic Pitta digestive imbalances. Pitta types have strong digestive fire but can easily overheat. Kapha digestion. Slow digestion, feeling heavy after meals, and mucus in the stool are Kapha digestive issues. Kapha types have sluggish digestion that needs stimulation. Understanding your dominant dosha allows you to tailor your approach to digestive healing specifically for your body type. Let's move on to practical solutions. Practical Ayurvedic solutions for better digestion. Regardless of your dosha type, Ayurveda offers universal principles for improving digestion. 1. Mindful eating practices. Eat in a calm environment without distractions. Sit down while eating. Never standing or walking. Chew thoroughly, at least 32 times per bite. Never eat when emotionally upset. These practices alone can dramatically improve digestion by activating your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. Modern research confirms that mindful eating reduces bloating and improves nutrient absorption by up to 40%. 2. Timing. Your meals. Eat your largest meal at midday when digestive fire is strongest. Keep at least 3 to 4 hours between meals with no snacking. Finish dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. Studies show that aligning your eating schedule with your natural circadian rhythm improves metabolic health and reduces digestive discomfort. 3. Digestive herbs and spices. Ayurveda prescribes specific digestive enhancers called dipana that kindle the digestive fire. Ginger reduces gas, bloating, and nausea. Chew a small piece before meals. Cumin reduces gas and aids in nutrient absorption. Add to cooking or drink as tea. Fennel relieves cramping and freshens breath. Chew seeds after meals. Asafoetida, hing, powerful anti-flatulent. Add a pinch when cooking beans or lentils. Triphala, an ancient formula of 3 fruits that gently cleanses the digestive tract. Fourth, dosha-specific recommendations for Vata imbalance. Favor warm, moist, well-cooked foods. Add healthy fats like ghee to meals. Avoid raw vegetables and cold foods. Try a ginger, cumin, coriander tea before meals for Pitta imbalance. Choose cooling foods like sweet fruits and vegetables. Reduce spicy, sour, and fermented foods. Add coconut, cilantro, and mint to your diet. Try aloe vera juice in the morning. For Kapha imbalance, enjoy pungent, bitter, and astringent tastes. Minimize dairy, sugar, and excessive fats. Add black pepper and dry ginger to meals. Try a fenugreek tea before meals. Daily Ayurvedic routine for digestive health, 7 to 9. Here's a simple daily routine to transform your digestive health according to Ayurvedic principles. Morning. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to gently wake up your digestive system. Scrape your tongue to remove accumulated toxins. Practice 5 to 10 minutes of gentle twisting yoga poses to stimulate digestion. Eat a light, warm breakfast according to your dosha, midday. Eat your largest meal between 12 to 2 p.m. when digestive fire peaks. Take a short walk after lunch to aid digestion. Use appropriate spices in your meal. Evening, eat a lighter dinner before 7 p.m. Practice mindful eating, avoiding screens. Consider a cup of CCF tea, cumin, coriander, fennel, to aid digestion. Allow 3 hours between dinner and bedtime. Weekly, consider a gentle digestive reset by eating khichdi, a simple mung bean and rice dish, for a day. Practice self-massage with sesame or coconut oil to stimulate digestive organs. By following these practices consistently, most people notice significant improvements within 2 to 4 weeks. Conclusion. The beauty of Ayurveda lies in its personalization and holistic approach. Unlike conventional treatments that often mask symptoms, Ayurvedic practices address the root causes of digestive distress. Remember these key takeaways. 1. Identify your digestive pattern according to your dosha. 2. Implement the universal principles of mindful eating and meal timing. 3. Use appropriate herbs and spices as natural medicine. 4. Follow a dosha-specific diet and daily routine. Modern research increasingly validates what Ayurveda has taught for millennia, that digestive health is fundamental to overall wellness. By integrating these ancient practices into your modern lifestyle, you're not just treating symptoms, but transforming your health from the inside out. If you're dealing with serious or chronic digestive issues, consider consulting with both a healthcare provider and an Ayurvedic practitioner for a comprehensive approach. We'd love to hear about your experiences with Ayurvedic digestive remedies in the comments below. And if you found this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to Health Morph for more ancient wisdom for modern health challenges. Until next time, may your digestive fire burn bright and your gut health flourish.